Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on locking sound in Redmi. So let us start our video. Move to the setting icon. After that, click on that, and here you will see many options. You will scroll up some more and click on the sound and vibration. After that, you will see many options. Scroll up some more, and here you will see many options. You have to click on additional setting option. After that, you will see many options, and here you will see play sounds when locking the device which is already off. So firstly, on this, it means that it plays sound when we locking the device. I will show you. Here you will see, if we lock the device, it produces sound. So in this way, locking sound will be on in our mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.